Welcome students. Today we are going to start with exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7 triangles class 9. Correct. So without wasting much of our time, let's go for question number 1. So what do we have in question number 1? In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. So it is given AB equals to AC. The bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Correct. Now the figure is not given. Correct. Join A to O. Show that first OB equals to OC. Correct. What are we supposed to show them? OB equals to OC. And second one we are supposed to show them that AO bisect angles A. AO bisects angle A. Now read the question carefully because we have to draw a figure by ourselves. So we have an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. That means these two sides are equal for me. The bisector of B and C intersect each other. So bisector of B and bisector of C, they will intersect each other at point O. Correct. And if we know that it is a bisector, that means this two angle will be equal and this two angle will be equal. These two and these two. Correct. Join A to O. So let me remove this O from here. पहले हम join कर लेते हैं. So let me write O now. Join A to O, and we are supposed to show that OB equals to OC. These two sides are equal. And second, this AO bisect angle A. That means we want this two angle equal. These two. Correct. And we want to find OB equals to OC. That's what I have written over here. Simple. So how can we solve this kind of a question? Okay, when we have a triangle in which we know that AB equals to AC given. Correct. Now, as we know that we are solving a problem based on isosceles triangle, so we can recall a property of isosceles triangle that if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So if these two sides are equal, then I can easily say angle ACB is equals to angle ABC. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. It's not a big deal. Correct. Now what are we going to do further? So let me do something like this. Can I divide both of this by 2? So I'm going to divide it by 2. So it becomes half of ACB is equals to half of ABC. Now why we did this? Because we know that OB and OC are the bisector. Correct. So I can easily say that half of ACB is equals to OCB. Angle OCB, or you can write BCO, it doesn't matter. Angle C ही आएगा. Correct. And half of ABC, so ABC, it's half angle. Half angle is going to be OBC. Because again it's a bisector, so both of them are equal, so I am going for OBC. Correct. And if in a triangle, I know that if two angles are equal, so you can understand here these two angles I got equal, OCB and OBC, I got these two angles equal. So if two angles are equal, that means their opposite sides are equal. So for OCB, opposite side will be OB, and for this is opposite side OC. क्या लिखेंगे? Therefore sides opposite to equal angle are equal. So see, in this particular problem both the theorem are utilized in at the same time. So I guess it's kind of important for us. Correct. So first thing I got it, OB equals to OC. Simple. Now the next part what I am looking at is that I want to find AO bisect angle A. Now how can we go for that? So what I know right now, this side are equal. Correct. मतलब ये दोनों equal है and these two are equal. So somehow if I prove this ABO and ACO congruent, then by CPCT I can say these two are these two angles are equal. So क्या करेंगे? So I'll go for again, let me say angle, so let me go with half of, correct, half से ही जाते हैं, यहीं से बात करते हैं. Again half of angle ACB is equals to half of angle ABC. For the first scenario we wrote these two angles, correct. For ACB I wrote half of ACB as OCB. Now I will go for ACO. Now I will go for angle ACO and angle ABO. So I got to know this angle, correct. Now pay attention what I'm going to do over here. I'm going to consider two triangle. One of them is ABO and another one is ACO, correct. ये जो रिजल्ट आया है, लेट मी कॉल दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1, दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 2, दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3, करेक्ट. सो वी कैन यूटिलाइज देम प्रॉपर्ली. सो इन दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आई नो दैट AB is equals to AC. This is given, correct. AB equals to AC. We proved this also. OB equals to OC, correct. We proved here. So if you want you can write in the bracket proved, correct. Then the third one is we know this angle ACO and ABO, but if we looking at the triangle ABO first, I will write angle ABO is equals to ACO. So this is also somehow we proved, correct. Now if you look at these three criteria, so side, angle and side, then I can say the triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO by side, angle, side criteria, or side, angle, side congruent rule. Simple. Now once I get to know these two triangles are congruent, I can easily say that angle BAO is equals to angle CAO, correct. What does that means? That means AO, this line is bisecting the angle A. Simple. क्या लिखोगे? Therefore AO bisects angle A. Are you getting me? So this is how we are supposed to solve, and I told you this particular question is very important because in this particular question we are utilizing both theorems, correct. When the sides are equal, opposite angles equal. When angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. So both of the theorem are utilized, plus criteria, conditions, SAS criteria rule की भी हमने मदद ली, and that's how we proved these two things. First OB equals to OC and second AO bisect angle AY, because I get to know, yeah, here we will write definitely CPCT, है ना, because CPCT से हमें ये equal मिला है, and then we can easily say that AO bisects angle A. So this is how we are supposed to solve this kind of a questions. Am I clear? You can pause the video and note it down. Now let's go for question number 2. What do we have in question number 2? In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So let me draw a triangle, correct. And we know that AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. What does that mean? That means it divides the BC into two equal parts and it is perpendicular to BC as well. Simple. Further show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. So this much criteria we have, and we are supposed to prove these two triangles. Which two triangle? ABD and ACD isosceles, or let me say congruent, sorry. And once I get to know that those two triangles are congruent, somehow by CPCT I can say AB equals to AC. Now question has limited us, correct. Question specifically says that show that this triangle is isosceles with AB equals to AC, जिसमें AB और AC ही equal होने चाहिए, not any another sides, correct. So how are we going to solve this particular question? So I already got to know that if it is a perpendicular bisector, so these two sides are bisected, that means BD and CD is equal, plus it is a perpendicular. So this angle are 90-90 each. So let me talk about triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Now in these two triangles what do we have? So first thing I have is BD is equals to CD. Why? because AD is bisector of BC. क्यों? क्योंकि AD जो है वो बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC है, दैट मीन्स इट डिवाइड्स इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट, सो BD इज इक्वल्स टू CD. Also we have that angle BDA is equals to angle CDA, each 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because we know that AD is perpendicular of BC. Simple. And the third criteria, which is important to realize because it is not given directly. So if you look at these two triangles, the third condition which helps us to prove this as a congruent triangle is going to be the AD common. Correct? AD common. That's how we can prove these two triangles as congruent. Correct? लेकिन by help of which criteria I can say these two triangles are congruent? तो side, angle and side by SAS rule. Correct? And therefore I can easily say AB equals to AC by CPCT. That is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Correct? In which AB is equals to AC. Are you getting it? So this is how we are supposed to solve this kind of a questions. There is no difficulty. It's similar to the one of the example we did, but still I solved it for you because I want you to understand how we are approaching this kind of a problem. Correct? If you do understood it, please pause the video and note it down. Now let's go for question number 3. What do we have in question number 3? ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. तो देखो यहाँ पे equal sides AC and AB बोला है, so AB is going to be equals to AC respectively, so that these altitudes are equal. Correct? Now the figure is given, which is something like this. So let me draw a triangle ABC. Correct? And the altitude are called as BE and CF. So BE and CF. And whenever it is altitude, listen to me carefully. Whenever it is altitude, then it is going to be perpendicular to that side. If I am talking about BE as altitude, then it is going to be perpendicular to the side AC. And if CF is the altitude, then it is going to be perpendicular to the side AB. So that is very important criteria you should take care of. Correct? And what are we supposed to prove or show? That this altitude are equal. That means BE is equals to CF. That is our target. Correct? Now looking at this, you may be thinking, अरे ये तो similar problem है like we did in the example. Correct? But in the example, we know that E and F are the midpoints. So that's why we did it in that particular way. यहाँ पे we'll do it in a different way. But first thing comes first. We have to select a triangles जिसको हम by CPCT prove करेंगे BE equals to CF. Correct? But which two triangles we can go for so that we can easily get the problem done? So let's think in the same manner as we did in the previous time. कि भाई BE और CF I don't want in the same triangle. पहला criteria है ना, BE and CF I don't want in the same triangle. So for one triangle I got two coordinates B and E, and the AB and AC also I don't want in the same triangle. अरे चलो तो ठीक है, तो I can understand something like this, that I am getting one of the triangle ABE and another triangle is ACF. Let's try to understand first, then we'll see के क्या होता है. So let me draw ABE. So it is something like this, and ACF something like that. ACF AEB. So I know AB equals to AC. तो ये criteria तो मेरे लिए satisfy करेगा ही करेगा. Second, what do I know? I know that this is angle A. चलो very good. ये भी criteria satisfied हो गया. Third, what do I know? तो see, observe here. We know one more thing here, but it is bit difficult for you to directly imagine. And if you do, very good. What? That this angle is 90. That means this is also 90 and this is also 90. So I can say this is 90 and this is 90. Correct? So which criteria you think get satisfied over here? Which criteria you think get satisfied over here? Maybe you can think of like angle side. Am I right? You can see angle side satisfy हो रहा है ना? Correct. This is the one way to do this particular problem. Second, we know that AB equals to AC. पता है? If I know AB equals to AC, that means that opposite angles are equal. So I can say angle B and C equal. Are you getting me? Then if you go for these two triangles, BEC, not BFC, because BFC will not help us. BEC and another one is BFC. चलो लेना तो दोनों ही है, don't worry. BCE and BFC. Correct. Now in these two triangles, what do we know? That my angle B and my angle C is equal. Because see, BEC angle C, sorry, BEC में angle C आएगा and BFC में angle B आएगा. These two angles I got to know equal. First criteria. Second, I know this is 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. ये 90, ये 90. Third, if you observe, BC is common. Correct. So again, if you go for these two triangles, तो angle side ही हुआ ना? Are you getting me? What I am trying to show you over here is that you can go a particular problem in a different way, है ना? जरूरी नहीं है that you have only one of the option. If you look at the particular solution के ऐसे ही करना है, no. You have the different ways. You can go that way. Don't worry about it. So whichever method you want, you can solve. आप चाहो तो इससे जा सकते हो, इससे जा सकते हो. Both of them are giving you the congruent triangle with the help of angle side. And दोनों में आपको CPCT से BECF मिलेगा और यहाँ पे भी BECF मिलेगा. Are you getting me? So it is totally up to us कि हमें कैसे करना है. I am going with this one, not this one. Correct. So let me go for in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. These two triangle will go. Correct. जिसमें मुझे पता है AB is equals to AC which is given. Correct. अगर आपको थियरम यूज करना ही हो, you want to use the theorem, then you can go for this one so that you can write opposite angles are equal. But not necessarily we want to do that. Correct. So one thing I know. Second, angle A common in both the figure. In this two I am talking about. Correct. Now if you look at the third one is, we know that this angle is 90 because we have ABE, so this is 90. We have ACF, so this is 90. So I can say angle AEB is equals to AFC each 90 degree. Somehow यहाँ पे भी 90 degree का utilize तो कर ही रहे, so there is no meaning. So we can easily say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by angle side congruence rule, and therefore BE is equals to CF by CPCT. That is, altitudes are equal. That's what the question says ना. हमें BE equals to CF यानी क्या बताना था? That these altitudes are equal, and that's what we got. BE and CF are the altitudes which I got them equal. Am I clear? So this is how we are supposed to solve this kind of a question. Correct. I hope you are getting me कि किस तरह से हम कर रहे हैं, है ना? चलो. Now I am going for question number 4, जो कुछ इस तरह से है जिसमें फिगर गिवन जो है ना वो सेम है. If you look at the figure given in the textbook for question number 4, it is similar to this one. मतलब कि कुछ ना कुछ छोटा सा चेंज करके ही पूछा होगा. Am I right? So let's have a look at it. A triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BA equals to CF. Now we know BE is equals to CF. Two sides AB and AC are equal. So ये दोनों जो है वो आपकी साइड्स को इक्वल है. साइड्स इक्वल नहीं है बट यहाँ पे अल्टीट्यूड्स इक्वल है. अल्टीट्यूड्स BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. So the altitudes are equal, so that first one triangle ABE, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. We just did it. We just did it. अभी यही किया. And in second one they said AB is equals to AC, that is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So what do you think? Should I solve this particular question for you? Should I solve this? We just did this two triangle ABE. This is A, here B, here E, and we did ACF. Now again same तरीके से करेंगे, but in the previous problem we know that AB and AC equal. Here we know that BE and CF equal. Again angle A common and this is 90-90. तो ये भी एंगल साइड से ही प्रूव होगा, but this is how we are supposed to do. Correct? So let me talk about triangle ABE and triangle ACF. BE equals to CF given. Angle A common. Am I right? Correct. And third is angle AEB is equals to angle AFC, each 90 degree, and therefore triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by which criteria हमने ये प्रूव किया? एंगल साइड रूल. And therefore AB equals to AC by CPCT, that is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Simple है ना? If I have given this you as homework ना, it wouldn't matter at all, because just एक छोटा सा change करना था. In the previous problem we know that ABAC equal. In this particular problem we know BECF equal, and we are supposed to find ACAB equal. Correct? So just a minor change in the problem, and that's how we are supposed to do. Am I clear? You can pause the video and note it down.